Hello everyone, and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to insert a clip in the middle of the timeline in CapCut PC step by step. This lets you place a new video or image between two existing clips without affecting the rest of your project. So let's get started. First, open CapCut on your PC. Next, create a new project or open an existing one. Then, import the video clip you want to insert. Move the playhead to the position where you want the new clip to appear. Next, click the Split button to cut the clip at that position. Move the playhead to the end of the section where you want the new clip to appear. Then, click the Split button again. Now delete the section if needed to make space for the new clip. Drag the new clip from the media panel to the empty space in the middle of the timeline. Adjust the clip if needed to make it fit perfectly. Play the video to preview the result. If you're satisfied with the edit, click the Export button in the top right corner. Choose your export settings, then click Export again to save your video. And that's it. You've successfully inserted a clip in the middle of the timeline in CapCut PC. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more CapCut PC tutorials and tips. See you in the next one.